intensifies things skiing in a whole new way. More into
satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming. Psych, Saturdays at 9.
Believe it or not, you've just witnessed a historic event. What we just saw on the TV behind us was the first ever national test of the emergency broadcast system. All channels, all radio stations were stopped for that moment to give the president room to speak in case of a national emergency. Today is November 9th, 2011, and history was just made, surprisingly.